How to comment on Instagram stories. Want to engage more with your friends and favorite creators on Instagram stories? Commenting on stories is a great way to interact, so support or start a conversation. In this guide, I'll show you how to comment on Instagram stories quickly and easily. Let's dive in. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Navigate to the top of your feed where stories are displayed. Tap on the story you want to view and engage with. To comment on a story, at the bottom left corner you will find this comment icon. You have to click on it. After you click on it, you will be able to comment on this story. This action will bring up the response box where you can type your message. Once you are done, you can click on this arrow icon. With that, you have just commented on this story. You can add multiple comments by clicking on this icon. This feature might not be available for all these stories. If the creator has turned off the commenting, you won't find this icon. Instead, you can send the quick reaction or send the message. For that, you just need to click on the option of send message, type in your message and send it. Or also you can like this story. And that's how you comment on Instagram stories. Engaging with stories is a fun way to connect with your friends and favorite creators. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.